The UK Government was right to state at the International Court of Justice last week that Israel has a responsibility under international law to provide food and essential humanitarian aid to the people of Gaza, and yet we know that it has blocked all aid shipments for the past 2 months. Given the catastrophe unfolding before our eyes, is it not worth resurrecting negotiations and discussions with international allies as to the possible airdrop of humanitarian aid, so that at the very least we can't say that we sat idly by and watched an entire population starve?
Yeah.
Mr.
We have been involved in discussions about airdrops, and there is a role for them, and we have spoken with partners in the region who have been keen to see airdrops as a contribution, particularly given the pressures on aid. And I'm not ruling them out, but I must be clear with the House that given the scale of humanitarian aid, helicopter airdrops can only reach a certain level, and while that aid would be very welcome, it would be a very, very partial response to the scale of need that we see.